Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2020 Honda Civic. On this 2020 Honda Civic we're going to go over where you find your fuse boxes, or the fuse box locations. We have one fuse box location inside the engine bay. This is on the left side of the engine bay, being your driver's side, right up next to the fender and closer to the front headlight. And we have one that's inside the cabin of the vehicle. So to pop this cover, we just press the tabs and we're able to pull this up, and then we're able to pop the cover. And on the back here we have the list of what they do and what amperage they're supposed to have in there. So this one does, it's telling us it has a at the front, so it's just flipped upside down just like this. And this 5 amp here, that runs the cooling fan, and then the 15 is the washers, the windshield washer, and so forth. Now whenever you remove one, if it's bad, make sure that you put it back with the same amperage that you pulled out. We got another assortment of relays in here, and we have some spares that are in the cap here. Pull those up. So you're done doing what you need to with this, then you just put the cover back on and snap that back into place. If we move our way into the cabin, so you're going to come right down here where you got your hood release latch and where your left foot would sit in the car. And then we have, this is the image of all the fuses and what they do and so forth. And then you just look straight up right there, and that is the fuses. Following this pattern, and then we have our fuses up there, and knowing what they operate if we need to check and replace fuses. So those are the two locations of your fuse boxes on your Honda Civic. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.